What's up, guys? It's December 11th, 2025. We're going to do a 10-minute breakdown of the E-mini where we talk about second legs, trap traders, and market context. So it's a pretty cool day. Um, I'm red. I was at break even at one point, but I took a nasty. I kind of sized up on this, thinking breakout, pull back, and then a new breakout, but it sold off into support, and then yeah, I got out right around here. I was at break even here, and then red day here. Had it gone here, I would have been very green, but options expire 15 minutes before market closes. So it is what it is. We have a big up, and then we have a gap down. So that could be channel against a channel, trading range behavior. In trading ranges, second leg traps are very common. Leg one, pull back leg two, and then that's where I got trapped. Anyways, good breakout. First principles in the market are the market's either breaking out or reversing. And this is a good reversal is a breakout. So look, the market's either breaking out, leg one, pull back leg two, or reversing. And this reversal went past this high here, so it kind of took out all the stops. Bears that short down here are gonna, because a bear stop, so if bears get short, it's a buy order, right? So when I say if bears are here and it's taking out stops, that means the market's getting filled to buy. Bears are buying back shorts and bulls are buying the breakout. So good reversal, get the second leg. Bears get short down here. They're trapped at the breakout. They're going to average in and get out at 50% and take a look. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't know why I said that. Might edit that out, or maybe I'll leave it. Anyways, bears sell off here. They sell more down here. This is their break-even price. You can see there's a small bounce. You could take a scalp, or you could go for the full target, which is the previous extreme. Swing right here, and then it even hit 1.5R. So I think this was the trade. If you got stopped out here, you could definitely make it back trading this. Yeah, I didn't because I was trading 0 DTEs far out the money. I piled up a lot of contracts. So, yeah, it was cool, I guess. I don't know why I said it was cool because I did get out. I'm slightly red for the day, but it's all based around second legs. Leg one, pull back. Leg two, breakout. First opposite bar starts the channel phase. So the market actually goes sideways here. Big down, big up, sideways. And then we get another breakout here. This is an easier breakout to talk about because this doesn't go sideways right away. So this is the trading range. It breaks out. So 33 through 35 is the breakout, 36 is the first pullback, and you can see you could buy that bar, fade it to 1R. This starts the channel phase, and the market travels for a couple more legs up. So leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four, and then look at the third and fourth leg. The swing is right here. So the market was in a trading range right around this price action, but we didn't know until we saw this channel. So that's why it's good to keep track of the market cycle because we can reset. Like, oh, we have a breakout, and now we're in that third leg. We know that the trading range will eventually develop. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Trading range behavior. Reversal is a form of a breakout. Bullet in a box. You shoot a bullet in a box, it bounces around, and it generally comes out the same way. So here's the momentum. The momentum bounces around, and it got shot out for another breakout that had 2 to 3 legs higher. Could definitely trade it. I totally jumped into the chart without talking about the weekly or daily chart. So weekly chart on the left here, daily chart on the right. Bulls have 3 bars in a row now. So this is a micro channel. This is a micro channel. These bars have tails, but no previous low is taken out. So if you're bearish and you're targeting previous lows, like the previous day's low, right now we're in a channel, and maybe when we do break that channel, it'll end up being a buy. Or we can travel higher, and we're breaking right around here, and it ends up becoming a sell. Nonetheless, we're in a trading range because there's a bear channel against a bull channel. Trading range behavior, that's what the market cycle says. We get a breakout. First opposite bar starts the channel phase, and we channel for 2 to 3 legs higher. And then within that third leg, the market's going to wrap back around in that third leg. So the third leg is the first leg in a trading range. And then it's going to we're going to go sideways. So let me show you. The third leg, leg one, leg two, leg three. So this is the start of the trading range, and we didn't know it until it wrapped back around. So, excuse me, it wraps back around here, and then the bear starts to target the previous swings. So they're right around there, but it looks like the market's actually just going sideways. Sold off, and now bulls are trying to get some bars. Let's see. Gap down with follow through, like one, pull back like two, pull back like three, and like three ended up being a higher low for the bulls. So like one, pull back like two. Bears that shorted down here in this area got a break even right around here, and buy back shorts, and that caused a rally. Leg one, pull back like two, pull back like three. Look at the third leg. We have 3 bars in a row, and then bar 238. Big bear bar closing on its low. So now we have a channel against a channel, and then the bears actually started to sell off. So that's the same lesson we were just talking about right over here. Or, I mean, excuse me, right over here. Channel against a channel, channel against a channel, trading range behavior. Channel against a channel, trading range behavior. And we even have a channel against a channel here, trading range behavior. So a lot of trading range behavior. Kind of repetitive, but yeah, it was a cool day. Tomorrow's Friday, and then we have Christmas coming up. So just start to prepare for next year, guys, and think smart. You know, there's a lot of money to be made if we just follow one system. It doesn't even have to be my system, but just follow something that works for you. Thank you for your time, everyone. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.